the challenge here was it had to go exactly where these existing panels are. Now, one thing about our system is it's so easy. One of the reasons we can do this so quickly and that they called us was that they had found us online and saw that our brackets can go wherever you want them, whenever you want. And the system is we have a number of different colors, anodized, either silver, black, architectural bronze. But the key is that this profile, as you can see it, has this continuous channel the entire way. And it's really inspired by track lighting. Almost everything we do is sort of hiding in plain sight solutions. So the bracket just goes, I'm using a different color bracket just so you can see, but it goes in, you twist it, it's locked in place, and that's it. And then you just move it wherever you want. And these can be installed before, they can be added, removed, repositioned, even after everything's installed. And that gets your bracket in place. And then to cap it off, we have either a flush end cap, or you need a wall return to just keep comply with code. That's it. You just pop it on. So it's really a system that just goes together really in a flash.